Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Glory and on this channel we talk about curls, beauty, and self-care. Guys, as you can already see by the title, in today's video we are going to be doing a product review. Well, a collection review. Curlsmith just announced and released their Shine Recipe collection, and I am so excited to be able to share with you guys my thoughts on this collection. This video is sponsored by Curlsmith, but as always, all thoughts are my own. So this Shine Recipe collection is dedicated to obviously giving our curls shine without the piles and piles of silicone. You know, a lot of brands promise that their products are going to give us shine, and a lot of the products contain a ton of silicone, and that's something that I know a lot of us struggle with. This collection is, of course, 100% curly girl friendly. Not only that, but it was tested on the most sensitive of skins, and it is also the first Curlsmith line that is 100% fragrance free. So far in this collection, we have a total of 5 products. We have the Shine Shampoo, which is supposed to be gentle and light foaming. We have the Shine Conditioner that's meant to give our hair a silky smooth feel and to help with detangling. We also have the Shine Cream, which is a leave-in conditioner, and it's supposed to be super lightweight. Then we have the Shine Jelly, which is a flexible hold number 6, and it is supposed to be lightweight and help with frizz. And lastly, we have the Shine Gel, which is a number 9, and it's a strong hold. This product is supposed to give lasting definition and frizz control. So now that I have introduced the collection to you guys, let's go ahead and get into the review. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's super frizzy and really knotty. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually wet my hair and go ahead and detangle it just a little bit. So the first product we're going in with is the Shine Shampoo. And like I said in the beginning, it's basically a light foaming cleanser that of course removes dirt, buildup, and it basically just restores the natural shine in the hair by getting rid of all of the dirt and debris. So this cleanser did such a great job at removing the dirt and the buildup on my hair. I definitely felt like my hair wasn't stripped at all. It wasn't dry at all. It just did such a good job at gently cleansing my hair, and it's definitely one that I'm going to be reaching for a lot. So after rinsing out the shampoo, my hair felt super soft. It did not feel dry at all. And I went straight in with the Shine Conditioner. Now this product definitely stole the show for me. I was obsessed by the slip. As soon as I put this product on my hair instantly became like silk, and it was so easy to detangle all of the knots that I had going on. And this product has shea butter, mumaru butter, and babasu oil. So now I definitely know why my hair felt super hydrated after using it. It has some amazing ingredients to help with detangling and adding shine. So immediately after getting out of the shower, I went ahead and separated my hair to make sure that I got product on every single strand. After that, I went in with the first styling product, and I chose the Shine Cream. The Shine Cream, like I said, is a leave-in conditioner, and this is supposed to enhance your curl pattern, help to hydrate the hair, make it nice and soft, shiny, and smooth. So I went ahead and applied it generously to each section, and then I began styling with my brush. As soon as I started styling, I could tell that my hair liked the product because it was curling up so much, and that typically happens when my hair is happy. So I knew that the results were going to be bomb. So I just go ahead and repeat that on every section until I am done. And finally, I chose the Shine Gel as my last and final styling product because you guys know I love a strong hold. And this one says that it provides long-lasting definition, humidity protection, and frizz control. So you know I was on it. So I went ahead and smoothed it on my hair using praying hands method, and then I went and scrunched. After that, I took my microfiber towel and just scrunched out any excess product, and then I'm going to diffuse. And we are back so I can share with you guys my final results. I am shook, okay? First off, like there's so much I want to talk about right now. The first thing I want to definitely talk about is the shine that I have going on in my hair. But I can definitely tell the difference in the Shine Recipe products. My hair looks a lot shinier and healthier. It looks super moisturized. Like, I'm shook, honestly. Not that I wasn't expecting these products to work, but sometimes on the market, a lot of products say shine and it gives this like fake illusion of shine. But these products came through, okay? And the next thing I really wanted to talk about was the Shine Gel. Listen to me, okay? Listen. I underestimated this gel. I did. I used a lot of gel because I love a really good crunch. So my usual gel is the In Shower Styler Fixer from Curlsmith. That's one of my top favorite gels. And it gives a really good hold, but I do have to use a lot of product. So I thought it was gonna be the same case with this one, and I was wrong. I actually scrunched out my hair with an oil and I still have a cast in a lot of areas. So this gel worked amazing at controlling the frizz. Somebody who likes that cast, likes their hair to last, I would definitely say this is gonna be your best friend. I also want to tell you guys how I felt about the Shine Cream, and let me tell you guys too, this one was another banger. My hair feels so moisturized, and I feel like this did such a great job at not weighing my hair down so much and also at moisturizing my hair. This combo is literally a dream. I'm also really excited to try the Shine Jelly, which is probably going to be in another video, but I have very high hopes for this product. If I'm not looking for such a major cast, I really think that this product is going to do what it needs to do, but I am just so happy with the results from this wash day. Not that I expected anything less, but Curlsmith really did it when it came to this collection. But we finally reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Go down below and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you will be trying the new collection. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.